Rewriting limiting beliefs, guided meditation to transform your inner story. Do you ever feel as though an invisible ceiling presses down just when you're ready to rise? That quiet inner whisper, "You're not ready, you're not good enough," echoes from somewhere deeper than logic. But that voice isn't truth. It's an old program. And today, we'll explore how it formed, what it's been protecting, and how you can lovingly rewrite it. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale, letting the day fall away. This is your space to remember who you truly are, beyond the noise, beyond the story. Limiting beliefs rarely appear overnight. They're layered through experience, childhood impressions, moments of criticism, lessons learned from fear rather than love. Psychologists describe them as cognitive filters, mental shortcuts that help the brain feel safe by predicting outcomes. But safety isn't always freedom. When a filter becomes rigid, "I always fail, people can't be trusted," it's too late. It quietly shapes your entire perception of possibility. Neuroscience shows that each repeated thought strengthens a neural pathway. The more often a belief fires, the faster it travels, until it feels automatic. That's why change can seem difficult. The old wiring still hums in the background. So let's bring it to light. Breathe in softly and imagine small threads of thought woven across your mind, some bright, some dark. Each one represents a story you've told yourself. Notice them, but don't judge. Awareness is the first step toward freedom. Now gently bring to mind an area of life where you feel blocked. Career, relationships, creativity, confidence. Whisper to yourself, "What do I believe about this part of my life?" Allow answers to arise. Maybe, "I'm not good with money. People don't listen to me. Success happens for others, not for me." Write or picture them one by one. These are not facts. They're protective stories your mind wrote to keep you from pain. In psychology, we call them core beliefs. They often stem from early conclusions, like "I must please to be loved," or "mistakes make me unworthy." As adults, those unexamined rules quietly dictate choices. The jobs we take, the partners we choose, the risks we avoid. So today, you become the observer. Imagine sitting beside a younger version of yourself who once adopted that belief. See the situation that shaped it. Feel compassion for that child. They were doing their best with what they knew. Every belief has evidence, and evidence can be questioned. Let's take one limiting belief and hold it up to the light. Ask, "Who told me this? How old was I when I first believed it? Is it absolutely true in every circumstance?" Notice how uncertain it becomes when examined. That uncertainty is the crack where light enters. Now we reframe. "I can't" becomes "I haven't yet." "I'm too old" becomes "My timing is aligned with my wisdom." "I fail at everything" becomes "I've gathered lessons that make me stronger." Each new frame builds a synaptic bridge to possibility. Your brain begins to favor the empowering pathway instead of the fearful one. Close your eyes and visualize that old belief dissolving like ink in clear water, slowly dispersing until only clarity remains. Then picture new sentences forming, luminous and confident. Your subconscious is listening. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, is the foundation of this transformation. Functional MRI studies show that when people repeat new affirmations or visualize success, neural circuits in the prefrontal cortex, responsible for planning and goal setting, strengthen, while the amygdala, the fear center, quiets. So belief work isn't wishful thinking, it's neurological training. Try this. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold. Exhale for 6. As you breathe, silently repeat, I am safe to grow. Each exhale teaches your nervous system that expansion isn't danger, it's evolution. Imagine yourself writing your new story on a page of light. I am worthy of opportunities. I am confident in my voice. I move forward with ease and grace. Feel how your body softens as it accepts these as new coordinates of reality. Now, let's anchor your new narrative. Picture waking tomorrow morning as the version of you who fully believes these truths. See the posture, the expression, the calm steadiness. How do they walk? How do they speak to themselves? For the next 30 seconds, imagine a single day unfolding under this new belief system. Emails answered with clarity, conversations flowing with ease, decisions made from trust rather than fear. Feel the subtle joy of that version of you. You're rehearsing your future self, and rehearsal creates reality. Each repetition strengthens your identity network, the part of your brain that answers the question, who am I? By feeding it new, empowering stories, you reshape not just thought, but biology. Growth is cyclical, not linear. Old narratives may echo again when you're tired or stressed. That's natural. When they appear, meet them with kindness, not resistance. Say softly, thank you for trying to protect me, but I choose truth now. Then redirect your focus to one small proof of progress, a task completed, a moment of calm, a brave conversation. Celebrating small wins tells your brain this new path is safe. Over weeks and months, this consistency becomes identity. Freedom isn't the absence of doubt. It's the ability to see doubt and still move forward. Take a deep, grounding breath in and out. Feel gratitude for the courage it takes to look inward. You've begun the gentle art of authorship, the conscious writing of your own mind. You are no longer defined by your past paragraphs. You are the writer of your next chapter. If this journey brought you insight or calm, please like this video, subscribe for more guided meditations, and share it with someone ready to rewrite their own story. Go forward knowing you are not your limiting beliefs. You are the limitless awareness that observes them, and from that awareness, all things become possible.